Unlock the secrets of eyelash brush in English. Hello, dear viewers. Today, we're going to delve into a term that's quite specific but very interesting. Eyelash brush. Whether you're into beauty or just looking to expand your English vocabulary, this video is for you. Let's brush up on your language skills and discover the meaning behind this phrase. An eyelash brush is a tool used in cosmetics, specifically designed to separate eyelashes and remove excess mascara to avoid clumps. It resembles a small comb or a brush with fine bristles, tailored for the delicate eyelashes. Mascara wands are often referred to as eyelash brushes as well. Using an eyelash brush is a key step in applying eye makeup. It ensures that the eyelashes remain separate and defined, giving a neat and professional finish. Makeup artists stress the importance of a good eyelash brush in achieving the perfect eyelash look. Interestingly, eyelash brush doesn't typically appear in idiomatic expressions or proverbs in English. It's quite a literal term, but it's always good to be precise in your language, especially when it comes to less common vocabulary. We hope this video has cleared up any confusion about what an eyelash brush is and how it's used in the English language. Now, the next time you come across this term or need to use it, you'll do so with confidence. Thank you for watching, and we look forward to bringing you more English language tips. Keep learning and stay curious.